Hey everyone! The Redmi Buds 8 Pro represents Xiaomi's most ambitious attempt yet to redefine what affordable true wireless earbuds can offer in terms of sound quality and smart features. Launched in China at a price that firmly places them in the mid-range segment, these earbuds aim to deliver a near-flagship audio experience without crossing into premium pricing. From their advanced driver configuration to their rich ecosystem integration, the Buds 8 Pro feel like a clear statement of intent from Redmi. Sound quality is the headline feature, and Xiaomi has gone all in here. The coaxial triple driver setup is unusual at this price point and immediately sets the Buds 8 Pro apart from more conventional designs. By combining an 11mm titanium-coated dynamic driver for bass and mids with two micro-piezoelectric ceramic drivers dedicated to high frequencies, the earbuds achieve a well-separated and detailed sound profile. Bass comes through with depth and control rather than overwhelming the mix. Mids are clean and natural for vocals, and the highs are crisp without becoming harsh. Codec support further enhances the audio credentials. Compatibility with LHDC V5 and Xiaomi's own MIHC codec, along with high-res wireless audio certification, ensures high bitrate playback when paired with supported devices. With the right source, the Buds 8 Pro can deliver impressive clarity and dynamic range, making them particularly appealing to users who care about lossless or high-resolution streaming. Active noise cancellation is another area where the Redmi Buds 8 Pro punch above their weight. Xiaomi's Deep Space Noise Cancellation 3.0 system offers up to 55 decibels of noise reduction across a wide frequency range, and in practice it does an excellent job of cutting out low-frequency hums as well as higher-pitched environmental sounds. Spatial audio is another standout feature, adding a sense of immersion that is rarely this well implemented in earbuds at this price. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope enables dynamic head tracking, creating a more realistic and engaging soundstage when watching movies or playing compatible content. Xiaomi's own spatial audio engine works alongside Dolby Audio support, although it is worth noting that head tracking is limited to Xiaomi's spatial mode and does not function with Dolby's implementation. Battery life is solid and competitive. Up to 8.5 hours of playback on a single charge is more than enough for a full day of listening, and the charging case extends total usage to around 35 hours. Fast charging is particularly convenient, delivering up to 2 hours of playback from just a 5-minute top-up. In terms of design and usability, the Redmi Buds 8 Pro strike a nice balance between practicality and style. The matte, skin-friendly finish feels comfortable in the ear and resists fingerprints, while the new light bar on the charging case adds a subtle visual flair and provides clear feedback on battery status and charging progress. Smart features are deeply integrated, especially for users within Xiaomi's ecosystem. Support for HyperOS Connect enables seamless pairing, audio handoff between devices, dual-device connectivity, and smart location features. Overall, the Redmi Buds 8 Pro deliver an impressive combination of sound quality, advanced noise cancellation, and smart features at a highly competitive price. While they are clearly optimized for Xiaomi's ecosystem, even users outside it will appreciate the strong audio performance and thoughtful design. For anyone looking for high-fidelity wireless earbuds without paying a premium price, the Redmi Buds 8 Pro stand out as one of the most compelling options in their class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.